So here's AssetDash app portfolio tracker, crypto NFTs and stocks. So here's the app. Earn rewards based on your investments, track your entire portfolio in one place, support for everything from stocks to cryptos to NFTs, earn rewards for learning about crypto with AssetDash Learn, track your favorite assets with precision. It's the first rewards program for investors. Instantly unlock rewards and deal based on your investments. Access exclusive deals and rewards based on your investments. Portfolio tracking, discounted real life products and favorite brands. Create an account just with email and password, connect your accounts and add your crypto. Done. So yeah, it's a bit buggy. So let's just try it out again. So this is, as you can see, the app kind of similar to TradingView or some other apps in this category. So you can just open it up and portfolio, you can see it here. So you can see your portfolio. So you can see wallets. So super easy to create a wallet, to create Solana wallet. So for example, you can find here all meme coins, I guess. So it's super easy to buy these like meme coins with this app, and then you can see all the details. Then you select the graphs, and then you can see this like candle graphs in here. Explore it. Then you can track a lot of different things. Then there is also invite friends. Invite friends. So here's my link. Invite friend. Every time they trade on AssetDash, you will earn 10% of their AssetDash gold, which you can spend on meme coins, cryptos, and more. Simply share your unique referral code below and ask your friend to enter it at sign up. So this is the code. Feel free to use my code HSOH6HS1. So here's the code. Then there are some airdrops, daily fortune cookie. I guess for some of these perks, you need to actually sign up and then add some money to your account. So there are wallets, there are airdrops, a lot of different airdrops. So as you can see, that's what it is. Settings, then there is your account, invite codes. This is where you can enter the invite code. And then you can, of course, invite friends. As you can see, someone already signed up with my code. It's quite nice. So yeah, that's what it is.